All right, everybody, it is time to take down the photo station here, this whole room here. I take photos of the clothing here, I list right here, and then in the garage is where I ship out. This room needs to become a studio for potential live streams and to do all my videos on for all these marketing videos for this company. So my plan was to have this finished by summertime because it's going to get really hot and I can't be working in the garage. But I figure I might as well just set it up in here, set it up exactly how I want it. I have, potential companies like hitting me up here in the near future, and I need to make sure I have the best setup possible that looks unique and cool for the companies, so I can pitch it and say, hey, look at this, studio I have. And so, yeah, that's kind of my goal, is to set up a good studio in here. So yeah, I got to tear all this down and rebuild it from the ground up for this new business. So let's get started. So that was about 4 to 6 weeks ago that I taped that. This is the new studio. I've been working on the new business for a bit now. Put a little plant back here with a nice blue light there. Here are my studio lights, and then I have a side light kind of showing at the side of my face. Just a tripod here, and then yeah, company sent me products. I got some Manscaped in here, which is cool. I'm gonna do a video for them, and then I might contact a guy and be like, hey, I'll show you, I'll shout you guys out on my YouTube if you guys pay me more, which I guess I'm already kind of doing that now. But yeah, it'd be cool to do like a little ad read. And just got like a little wallet here, just making videos. Got Chick-fil-A. Making videos on all this stuff. So got sent from this company some cool like sea moss supplements. Sent me a little package of like a couple. I asked them for this product, and then they sent me a little package of some cool stuff. So I'm gonna be making some videos of this stuff, which is very cool. And yeah, I kind of just set the products here and make videos on them. So like I made a video of this cool little, cool little arcade stick. And I gotta figure out what to do with that. I don't know if I want to keep it or sell it. This little cigar case. I get a lot of like cigar products and like, I don't know, smoking products, which is interesting. Got this massager, another cigar case. There's a cigar cutter, a bunch of cool stuff. So yeah, just making videos on all of this stuff. Working with a bunch of shoe companies, and because of my background in clothing, I get a lot of clothing. So like I did videos on every single one of these pieces of clothing. So that's very cool. Got this nice cigar case that I did a video on. So yeah, just getting sent products, doing these videos. Studio's been going great. I'm still getting paid through eBay. Let me see if I can flip this. Still getting paid through eBay, so part of my income is still eBay. I'm selling off all my items, so that's gonna run dry. I think when I started this and stopped listing on eBay, I had about 2,600 items on eBay, and right now I'm at about just under 2,000. So, so that stuff's gonna keep selling, and my income's gonna go down and down from eBay as I transition to this. So things are going pretty well. Kind of a rocky road. So I get a lot of like clients and I get a lot of work, and then I do all that work, and then sometimes like the clients kind of dry up, and I'm like, what am I doing? I need more work. So I don't know. It's been going well, but it's been an interesting transition. I definitely like doing this a lot more than eBay. eBay was just getting harder and harder to find items. So this has been fun. We'll see if it works out. And if not, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. So just trying to figure this out, scale, grow as much as I can day by day, and really just trying to figure this out. So taking down my picture station was a little bittersweet. I was excited for the new journey, but it was sad to take everything down. Like all of this stuff that I've built over the past few years is just gone, and it was a past chapter in my life. So it was a little bittersweet, but very happy to enter this next chapter. And I like that I don't have to go sourcing anymore. I like that everything just shows up to my door and I can just wake up and get to work. I don't even have to live here anymore if I don't want. I can move or whatever. I can kind of get up and go. I don't really need to be stuck to like this location or anything like that. And I don't really even need to leave my house. So, and I have a home gym too that I got for free. So that's cool. So I don't even need to leave the house to like go to the gym if I don't want. So yeah, it's been a cool, interesting process of switching over. It was kind of sad, but it is what it is. Off to bigger and better things. Yeah, so this is kind of what the studio looks like when I make a little video and just show the products on camera. So yeah, just giving you guys a little update of kind of what I'm doing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, have a good one.